Indulge with no regrets. Heavenly panna cotta in a cup recipe. If you are looking for a guilt-free dessert that will satisfy your sweet tooth, look no further. Introducing the perfect guilt-free dessert, easy yogurt panna cotta in a cup. This heavenly treat is not only delicious, but is also incredibly easy to make. With just a handful of simple ingredients and a few easy steps, you can effortlessly create a delightful dessert that will impress your guests or simply treat yourself to a decadent indulgence. Make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video. I will recap all the recipes in one go. Dessert lover, let's get started. First step, make the yogurt panna cotta. Let's place the 360 ml full cream milk into the saucepan. Panna cotta, known for its velvety, smooth texture and delectable flavors, is a classic Italian dessert that is loved by many. And we have taken it to the next level by presenting it in a convenient cup size, making it even more irresistible. We have made a few smart ingredient swaps to make this dessert lighter on the calories, fat, and sugar without compromising on taste. So you can enjoy every spoonful without feeling weighed down by regrets afterward. Alright, let's get back to our panna cotta. Let's get 1 teaspoon vanilla bean essence, or you can swap it with vanilla beans itself and scrub the seed out. If you would like a stronger vanilla bean paste taste, you can double the quantity for this. Next ingredient is the custard sugar, about 80 grams into the mixture. Mix together sugar, milk, and vanilla bean paste. Then bring it up to the stove and heat up with a low heat. Make sure the temperature is hot but not boiling. Once the mixture is hot to touch, turn off the stove and leave aside. In a separate bowl, bloom the gelatin powder by combining it with cold water. We are using 2 and 1.5 teaspoons of gelatin powder. It might be varies if you're using the gelatin sheets. If you are using the gelatin sheet, it will be 12 grams of gelatin sheets. After that, input the 2 tablespoons cold water, let it bloom and sit for a couple of minutes until it becomes soft and spongy. Add the bloom gelatin to the yogurt mixture and whisk until smooth. I'm using shift to make sure that there is no coarse item or mixture into my mixture. From the ideal ratio of gelatin to milk, to infusing it with your favorite flavors like vanilla, you will unlock all the secrets to making a flawless panna cotta. You might be wondering why there is no cream inside this panna cotta. We have substituted the cream with yogurt. Once the gelatin is all melted, we can place the 360 ml Greek yogurt into the mixture. This recipe starts with a rich and creamy yogurt base, which is a Greek yogurt, paired with probiotics for a healthier gut. To enhance the creaminess, you can include a splash of full cream milk or almond milk on the mixture. Now, that's the exciting part. You can pour the yogurt panna cotta mixture into your serving glasses or any champagne glass, leaving some space at the top for the berries compote. During the process of pouring the mixture, you might notice some of the big bubbles. You can use the skewer or toothpick to smoothen it or pop the bubbles. Who doesn't want a silky and smooth panna cotta? Last step but not least, use a paper towel to clean the edge of the cup. Refrigerate the glasses for at least 4 hours or overnight until the panna cotta is set. While the panna cotta sets, let's whip up the mixed berries compote. In a saucepan, place the 1 cup mixed berries. Add on the 3 tablespoons custard sugar. Cook the berries over medium heat until they release their juices and the mixture thickens slightly. Well, I don't have lemon in my fridge today. I have replaced it with 1¼ tablespoon vinegar. Mix them and keep stirring. Once the berries compote is heated, place another 1 cup of fresh mixed berries. This berries compote is a symphony of flavors, combining the natural sweetness of strawberries, the tartness of blueberries, and the juiciness of raspberries. The sugar and the vinegar elevate the medley, creating a luscious, slightly tangy sauce that blankets the palate. Each spoonful bursts with vibrant, fruity goodness, offering a delightful contrast to the creamy smoothness of the yogurt panna cotta. Once the berries compote is cooked, remove from the heat and let it cool. Once they are set, it's time to add the finishing touch, your favorite fruit or sauce for a burst of freshness. Spoon our luscious mixed berries compote on the top. This wonderful, easy to make, no-bake dessert is so simple to do. It's a great MasterChef recipe that family can enjoy. Alternatively, you can also add on some fresh berries such as blackberries, strawberries, or raspberries. You can even add on some mango puree or even drizzle of caramel or chocolate sauce. The options are endless. To elevate the visual appearance, I have included some mint leaf and edible flowers to decorate the finishing of panna cotta. And there you have it, yogurt panna cotta with mixed berries compote in a cup. A delightful dessert that is as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the taste buds. Whether you are hosting a dinner party or treating yourself or New Year party, any holiday season party, this dessert is sure to impress. Enjoy the sweet symphony of flavors and happy indulging a healthy dessert. So, what are you waiting for? Give our easy panna cotta in a cup recipe a try and indulge in a guilt-free dessert experience like no other. As promised in the beginning of the video, this is my recap of the yogurt panna cotta with berries compote recipe. You can also refer to the descriptions or hankery.com for detailed step-by-step in writing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and guilt-free recipes. See you in the next video. Goodbye.